Right, my name's Chris Dabner. I'm one of the plumbing tutors at North Kent College here. I've been here for 10 years. I've been in the plumbing industry since 1985. I've done everything from commercial and industrial plumbing to domestic plumbing. Set up my own little company at one time. And now I've gone into teaching purely so I can put on my experience to the next generation of plumbers. When the students come in on one of the courses, they have to do two portfolios. One is a training portfolio to give them to practice, gets them ready for the second portfolio, which is the one that is assessed through time and a pass merit distinction grade. We learn everything from drilling clips, putting clips on the wall, using drills, to the maximum plumbing they can do, which is installing a full bathroom, which involves hanging a radiator, installing a bath, a basin and a toilet, all mains pressure, so it's tested to high pressure. So any leaks will show up, and then they can go to, when they leave us at level 2, they can go on to do other choices: drainage engineer, heating engineer, gas engineer, whatever they want to do. While the students are in our workshop here, it's as real life as possible for a domestic situation, not really commercial but domestic. So we have the mock bathrooms, they have radiators on the wall, towel rails, that kind of thing. So the facilities we've got here are very good. Very, very good standard compared to other colleges, I've been told. We simulate real life, if you like. We've got the state-of-the-art tools as well, tools which are used in industry, but we get them to use the old-fashioned tools by hand, whereas if they go to industry it'll be power tools. So, but this is the way Sitting Guilds stipulate to be trained, so we train them that way. At the end of every year we have a staff gathering over at the Gravesend Campus, and we give, there is a league table to say people's achievements. We have been constantly up in the top 10 for the last several years. So our pass rates are very good. Our success rate is we do get a lot of people going to the industry. They go on to do apprenticeships. They go on to some of the local plumbers actually ring us up at times and ask for future plumbers, so we send them along. There is the work placement for level 2, but some of them go on to start their own companies. We've had a few success stories where a few of our past students have gone and set their own companies, and then they come to us and ask for students to work for them. So they come to us purely because they know the quality of training here is really good. So they come to us, ask for good students, and then we send them on to the good students. One thing I've noticed over the last few years, the more and more students I'm interviewing are coming from further afield. They used to be local area, the local catchment area, but now they're coming from, 90% of my students this year from Bexley, Welling, Sidcup, that area, purely because the South East London College is where they are. They do choose not to go, they choose to come to NKC purely because we've got good success rate, and the word on the street is that we're a very, very good college to come to. So the first thing I ask is, why do you want to come to this college when you live over that way? And they say, because we've heard this is a very good college. I personally think it is a good college, and it's getting better year in, year out. If you are interested in coming on a plumbing course at NKC, go to our website and apply on there. If you want, you can always ring the college up and get a form sent out for you, but if not, we look forward to seeing you, and hopefully if plumbing is the career choice for you and you want to be a success in it, NKC is the college to come to.